Intay ang bigbigen, dagiti nalanatak, kinatatakneng akameng, iti hunta, dagiti hurado, babaen kada Ancher, Clyde, Keena, ken Gervy.
Balong-balo pumapagaspas, ngayon ba garabi, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, Gervy Ilocano! Mga kaibigan, magsisimula na ang bakbakan ng sakbay ti amin. Intay amamuwen, dagiti kabinulit tayo amang pili ka dagiti mangabak, itaan ay isang sangayan at awen.
First up is a performing artist, member, dance director, and project coordinator of the Ramon Ubusan Folkloric Group, a resident folk dance company of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, under the mentorship of its artistic director, the late national artist for dance, Ramon Arevalo Ubusan. He has participation to a number of countries as a goodwill ambassador in promoting Philippine culture through folk music and dance. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Larvilla Hermosa.
Isumaruno a jurado ket mesa a madaydayaw iti beneg ti kultura. He is a visual artist, theater writer, production designer, and artistic director. He is a frequent director of the Philippine Independence Day celebrations in Luneta. To date, he served as artistic director of CCP Gawad sa Sining Baraswain Kalingan Foundation Incorporated and the tourism supervising officer of the city of Malolos, where he founded the Fiesta Republica, a national celebration of Philippine history. Ikantay man pinabara asipsipat ni Mr. Armando P. Santa Ana.
Let us also show our warm Ilocano welcome to our next judge. He is the former Associate Artistic Director of UP Dance Company and was the Grand Prize awardee of the Wi-Fi Body New Choreographers Competition in 2014. Among his latest achievement is winning the 2018 Alvin Erasga Tolentino Choreography Award and John Dobsky Zipper Award for Best Choreography at the CCP Ballet Competition. Gagayan ken kakabsat, palakpakan tayo ni Mr. Japet Ricabli. Welcome back, Sir JM. Ladies and gentlemen, our next judge is currently celebrating his 27th anniversary in the industry as former member of the Ramon Ubusan Folkloric Group of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. He is a dancer, choreographer, visual artist, and a musical theater actor. He also serves as trainer and stylist for cultural heritage of the Philippines. The founder of the Kalilayan Folkloric Group. He also teaches at the University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music. Gagayam kinakabsat, Mr. Romel Padillo Serrano.
He is a Canadian social media influencer who shares his journey in the Philippines through the hashtag Becoming Filipino. He showcases not only our national treasures, but also the compelling stories of the people he meets, their sentiments and aspirations, as well as their adorable values and their traditions that are uniquely Filipino. Let's welcome Mr. Kyle Kulas Jennerman.
Our next judge is an Augustinian priest assigned at the Santo Niño Spirituality Center, Consolacion, Cebu. Currently, he is the Commissioner for Cultural Heritage of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or NCCA, and Chairman of the Commission on Augustinian History and Cultural Heritage. Kailian, a round of applause for Father Harold Laneta Rentoria.
Next in this prestigious roster is the former head of the San Juan City Public Information Office and the immediate past president of the National Capital Region Tourism Officers of the Philippines. She is also the founder of the San Juan Cultural Performing Arts Group. Ladies and gentlemen, Tourism and Cultural Affairs Officer of the City Government of San Juan, Miss Allen Marie del Castillo Alejo. Next, we have a former director of the famed Bangus Festival of the Gupan City. At present, he is the University of Luzon's Physical Education Department head, at the same time a graduate school professor. He also serves as president of the Philippine Folk Dance Society Region 1 and cultural consultant of the province of Pangasinan. Sa Rabuan tayo tinabara sipsipat, Mr. Childe Libertad.
Intayumit Kablaawan Timesa, a premiado o performing artist, a well-traveled member of the world-renowned Ramon Ubusang Folkloric Group since 1993. He works as an artist, rehearsal master, and dance director. He is the current dance trainer of the Philippine Normal University Dance Kislap Sining Dance Troupe. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gino Jordan Salonga Cruz.
Presenting to you another stellar judge. As the director of the Department of Tourism in the Cordillera Administrative Region, she spearheaded several urban rehabilitation tourism initiatives. She is known for her genuine dedication to the cause of sustainable tourism, as attested by her affiliation with notable local and international organizations dedicated to socio-civic causes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tourism Promotions Board's Chief Operating Officer, Miss Marie Venus Q. Tan.
Steeped in Western and Filipino literary classics, he joined the Filipino film industry with a formidable background as a theater actor and director. He was a recipient of the British Council Grant Attachment with the Nottingham Playhouse and the Royal Shakespeare Company, as well as a Fulbright Hayes Travel Grant to the United States of America on theater, arts, film, and television. A past President Directors Guild of the Philippines. His success as a thespian and communicator may be observed in his ability to strike a balance between education and entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, to chair the board of very eminent judges, it is our pleasure to welcome a true man of action, Mr. Arsenio Nick J. Lizazo.
Ken, dagito'y meti pang sukat, kadagito'y bibin na lubal, ita atawen. Story, 25%.
Performance, 25%.
Choreography, 20%.
Production design, 20%.
And originality, 10%.
Mga kaibigan, nakilala na natin ang ating mga minamahal na hurado at nalaman na rin natin kung ano ang kanilang magiging pamantayan sa pagpili ng kampiyon ngayong taon. Pero bago natin simulan ang umatikabong bakbakan ng kultura, tradisyon at sayawan, let's first welcome a special guest. Our guest earned her degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration from the University of the Philippines, which recognized her as a 2017 UPAA Most Distinguished Alumna. She completed her Master's in Business Administration at the New York University. Recently, in June 2018, she received an Honorary Doctor of Laws Honori Cosa from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, for her work in agricultural development, poverty alleviation, education, women and children welfare.
And of course, she practiced as a financial analyst and college professor until she married former House Speaker and Senate President Manny Villar in 1975. She then helped her husband in various entrepreneurial ventures, eventually making Vistaland the biggest home builder in the Philippines. She managed, of course, a private development bank from 1989 to 1998. In 2001, she won as a representative of Las Piñas, where she completed 3 terms or 9 years of service until 2010. She was chairman of Committee on Higher and Technical Education during the 13th and 14th Congress. She was president of the Lady Legislators during the 12th, 13th, and 14th Congress, initiating legislation benefiting women, children, and family.
Our guest also founded and chaired the Villar Foundation, now Villar Social Institute for Poverty Alleviation and Governance, or Villar CPAG. The programs of which include providing assistance to OFWs, sponsoring the yearly OFW Family Summit, environment protection, establishing the Las Piñas Paranaque Wetland Park, and livelihood projects which she has established in nearly 1,932 locations all over the country. Our guest also conferred the rank of Honorary Auxiliary Commodore by the Philippine Coast Guard PSG Auxiliary for her commitment to environment protection. She is also an honorary member of the Philippine Horticultural Society.
And in 2013 midterm elections, she won as Senator of the country. She is the current, of course, chairperson of the Senate Committee on Agriculture and Food, as well as the Senate Committee on Environment and Natural Resources. She works for the establishment of 1,955 farm schools all over the country, supported by TESDA. Amidst all her achievements and awards, she successfully raised 3 well-educated children. Paulo is the CEO of publicly listed Vistaland. Mark is the Secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH. And Camille is the Executive Vice President of Star Mall and President of All Home.
Ladies and gentlemen, gagayam ganabsat sa rabuan kay tinabara si Sipsipat, our very own Senator Cynthia Aguilar Villar.
At syempre, we're ready to read some of the comments tonight.
Yes, lalong-lalo na sa mga gumagamit po ng hashtag Tan-Ok 2019 and of course hashtag IN201. Ito ha. Gusto ko pong iyas lahat ng ating mga bisita, kapag na-mention po sa inyong comment, sa kanilang mga comment, ang inyong municipality, maaari ay sumigaw, maghiyawan at pumalakpak kayo. Meron tayong comment na galing kay Jenbert Viloria Dancel. Ang sabi niya, Go Vintar!
Vintar!
Yes! Ayan. At syempre, bumubuo sila ng suporta ni Analea de la Cruz. Ang sabi niya, Go Dingras! Kaya nyo yan!
Ayan, nasan po ang mga tiga-Dingras? Magingay!
Andyan lang sila.
Nandiyan lang sila. Nag-reserve lang energy.
At syempre, galing rin kay Reggie Bagging. Sabi niya, Go, Go, Adams! Oh, ayan sila, oh. Alright, thank you very much.
At sabi naman ni Renz Harvey Pasqua, again, let's go Vintar! Soar high like the sea wawer.
At syempre, mamaya-maya, magbabasa pa tayo ng napakarami pang comments. Please keep watching sa ating Facebook at mag-comment lang and use the hashtags
Hashtag Tan-Ok 2019 and hashtag IN201.
Kaniting oras ka kanito, kagayam kat kakabsat, intayon makiistorya ka dagiti taga San Nicolas. Winter is here. Ayan, saan larangan ka nanalo?
Sa dance cover po.
Ayan, ano yung special na ginawa mo kaya ka napili ng ating mga judges para maging winner sa ating, one of the winners ng ating Tan-Ok dance cover?
Yung pinifirm ko po is about Manalon dahil isa po yung family ko is a proud Manalon. Kaya yun po yung ginawa kong concept.
Ayan, palakpakan natin lahat ng mga Manalon ng Ilocandia. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Congratulations na rin as well. Siyempre, narito na. Siguradong hindi tayo magsisisi sa panonood ng Tan-Ok Story ng Karasi.
Yes.
Ayan na nga. Mukhang nagmumukha ka talagang diamante ngayong gabi. Ibang klase ka, Clyde.
Wala akong coat.
Okay,
mga
mga
kaibigan.
kaibigan. Alright. At syempre, patuloy pa lamang, of course, ang pagbigay at pagpakita nyo ng mga suporta by using the hashtag Tan-Ok 2019 at hashtag IN201. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy lang yan dahil
At
nagko-collect
hashtag,
kami.
I'm in.
Ayun, I'm in. Pasok na pasok na nga.
I'm out.
Talaga lang ah.
Outside. Ayun mga kaibigan, pinopromote po namin. Supportan po natin dahil ang advocacy ng Saluyot ay proceeds ng mga pagbebenta ng mga librong ito ay mapupunta po sa mga initiatives sa pag-create of course ng mga bagay-bagay para sa mental health awareness and suicide prevention. Dahil masaya ang buhay, masarap kumain, so masarap din magbasa ng libro.
Talagang kitang-kita na masarap kumain, Clyde. Tignan mo nga rin naman. At syempre sa karagdagan rin po na anunsyo natin at kasiyahan ngayong gabi at pinopromote po natin, of course, this Tan-Ok 2019 ay pinopromote natin ang eco-friendly activities. Kaya syempre, tuloy-tuloy lamang ang pagpulot ng mga potelya at syempre, ipapagpalit natin yan for raffle tickets.
O, dahil may explain natin maya-maya, pero sa punto ng mga kaibigan, handa na tayong pasiklaban ng Ari Festival ng Bayan ng Diras. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the Empanada Festival of the City of Bataan!
Talaga naman, nakakagutom, nakaka-energize ang
Trivia
kanyang
lang
performance.
ang dami ng concepts na binigay sa atin ng Batak, pero nung time na nanalo sila, paggawa ng empanada ang kanilang pinisent.
Tama.
Mukhang it's a sign ng rin.
Sign ng ano?
Malay mo, sign ng pagkampyonato at syempre talagang ini-aim naman nila.
Baka naman sign na gutom ka na ba, Ancher? Parang gusto maata
Nabusog ako sa palabas
Meron tayo
nila.
dyan.
At mga kaibigan, speaking of trivia, fun fact naman tayo mga kaibigan, nakabilbilag talaga iti performance iti Batak. True to their series battle cry, pabilgen ni Batakenyo para iti sa pasap a progreso.
Nabilag at talaga a home of great leaders ko naman, Clyde. At hindi lang yan, gastronomic mecca pa. Aside from empanada na ang dami-dami ng variations, andyan ang Mickey na may napaka malasang sabaw. At syempre, ang longganisa na paboritong-paborito mo, Clyde.
Ay, oo. Paborito
Oo.
mo yan, for sure.
Kakagulatan tayo ng paborito
Naku, ewan ko sa inyo, basta alam ko, pananong-panalo talaga ang mga pagkain sa Batak, pati mga tao doon panalong-panalo. Ayan, manalo rin kaya sila ng bonggang-bongga ngayong gabi? Malalaman natin yan mamaya. Ngayon, panoorin muna natin ang Tan-Ok story ng Banggi.
Sa panahong ito ng mga computer, cellphone at iba pang mga gadget, maraming mga bata ang nakaupo na lang at walang katapusang pindot ng pindot. Unti-unting nawawala na ang mga tradisyonal na laro at mga libangan.
Tama ka. Napansin ko nga yan na answer. Pero alam mo ako nung bata ko, 3 years ago lang naman to. Ganong mga kabataan ko talaga. Sa school ko, mahilig kami maglaro ng mga katulad ng kadang-kadang, patintero,
Tumbang
yung
preso,
tuck race, ganyan. So, hindi siya katulad nung lately lang na pag intramurals, may mga traditional na palaro yung school namin. So, kadang-kadang actually yung favorite ko nun. Kaya siguro lumaki ng ganito yung legs ko. Hindi kinaya.
Oo.
Ikaw ba? Ano bang favorite mong laruin nung bata ka na traditional na game ng mga Ilocano or ng Pilipino?
Parang kasi ang tawag nila dito ay mix. Yung parang merong isang tanso na merong na merong parang pack ng candy. Pwede mo siya laruin na ganon.
Hindi ba ano
Oo.
yun?
Mix ang tawag kasi noon.
Sipa.
Pero kung alam nyo po yung sagot, pwedeng i-share.
Sipa.
Sipa.
Okay.
Ganon.
Ay,
Para daw siya.
hindi ko kasi kaya yun kasi maliit yung, ay maikli lang yung legs ko. Kaya yung bounce niya pa ganun lang.
Oo, kailangan.
Oo nga, naalala ko pa nun yung patintero at saka yung bawang base, ayan, no, every lunch break, nakakamiss din yung mga ganyan. So, yung katulad sa MMSU noon, nung college kami, every Students' Day, meron talaga yan. At nakita ko nga sa stories ni Keena, lately lang na nung Students' Day, parang meron yung part na yung mga estudyante naghabol ng native na baboy.
Oo,
Awa
ayun.
naman yung baboy.
Baka rin sumali si Keena kasi doon.
Sumali si Kid. Tanongin natin mamaya kung sumali siya.
Oo.
At we're happy to know sa Banggi, mapabata man yan o matanda, ay nahuhumaling sila sa pag-kite flying o ang pagpapalipad ng saranggola na ang tawag to sa Ilocos ay ilaw wenno ulaw.
Ayun. At saan pa naman kasi ang mas nakakalibang mag-kite flying, kundi sa bayan ng Banggi na may, of course, hanging amyan na kung tawagin rin natin. At sa susunod na pagtatanghal, masasaksihan natin ang pagpasa at pagpapanatili ng isang tradisyon para sa mga mas nakababatang henerasyon at kung papaano ito napayabong pa at syempre nadadagdagan ng kite surfing at windsurfing na rin. Dito rin natin makikita na kahit sa isang libangan ay may papamalas ang napakabuting kalooban ng mga Ilocano.
At ang nakakatuwa dito, Ancher, ay hindi lang mga Ilocano yung nahuhumaling dito sa ating kite surfing, windsurfing. It has gone international. And speaking of
Tama.
international, syempre, we would like to thank, kasama natin ngayon ang si Kulas, syempre, Becoming Filipino. Nakita natin na he has featured itong mga surfing activities sa up north of Ilocos Norte. So, nakaka-proud because kite surfing and windsurfing had innovated from pagpatpatayab ti Ulaw.
Correct. And it's becoming, of course, a part of the adventure tourism of Ilocos Norte.
Yes, at halina't paliparin natin ang ating mga pangarap at buksan ang damhin na ang magandang ihip ng pagsasamahan sa Amyan Festival ng Bayan ng Banggi.
Grabe, ang daming sumusuporta sa mga taga-Adams ngayon. Clyde, dinig na dinig doon. At syempre sa puntong ito ay meron po kaming isang katanungan na kinakailangan po namin ng isa sa ating mga bisita ngayong gabi. Syempre, very simple lang naman yung question. Very obvious as well. Sino po ang pwede or baka gusto lang naman manig muna yung question. Syempre, at ngayong gabi matatapos ang bicentennial year ng Ilocos Norte. Ano ang eksaktong petsa kung kailan idineklara ito bilang isang probinsya?
In other words, ano ang eksaktong date ng founding o foundation ng Ilocos Norte?
Exact date po. Ay, ganun lang. Pero syempre, mamaya, habang naghihintay tayo, pero sa mga nakakaalam, mamaya at maya, isasagutin nyo ang aming tanong.
Ituloy na natin ang ating competition. Ladies and gentlemen, tumutok na sa screen dahil mapapanood na natin ang kwento ng piniling tahanan ni La Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc. Ladies and gentlemen, the story of Badoc.
Bukod sa pangingisda at pagsasaka, isa sa pangunahing kabuhayan ng mga mamamayan ng bayan ng Pasukin ang paggawa ng asin. Matagal man ang paggawa nito dahil nangangailangan ng iba yung tiyaga, galak naman ang hatid nito sa panlasa ng mga tao.
This long-honored custom and livelihood are stories of perseverance, determination, and passion of townspeople in search of a brighter life. Witness the fortitude of a woman's will to survive despite the burning heat of the sun and amidst life's strong waves and winds.
As years have passed, many types of salt attempted to invade the Ilocano's plates. Yet Pasukin's native salt still satisfies our discriminating taste. And so, the town's distinguished salt has remained, has not lost its savor. Let's welcome the Panagsana Festival of
Ilocos
Pasukin!
Norte is known for being home to important Philippine Hispanic-era architecture and as the bastion of Catholicism. As the chosen town of the Blessed Virgin, the town of Badoc is a witness to her countless miracles. The La Milagrosa Shrine marks the spot where she arrived and serves as a testament of thanksgiving for the miracles and blessings that she bestows upon the province. Let us all witness the miracles of the Blessed Virgin as she constantly intercedes in our day-to-day lives, especially in times of adversity.
Intay idaton ti aglaplapunusan a panagraem ken panagruknoy ken La Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc babaen kada ito'y apabuya. Ladies and gentlemen, the La Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc Festival, Viva La Virgen Milagrosa!
Once again, Rigritemon Kayon, of course, of the Municipality of Sarat. Ayan, tunay na kakaiba nga rin naman ang story. And syempre, kailangan nag-i-evolve at nag-i-evolve rin ang team ng performance nila. Of course, kagaya na rin naman ng researches, tamang-tama. Yun at kuhang ko nga naman with all the dramas and stuff.
Very patriotic.
Correct. At syempre, sa kalaman po, ayan, syempre para sa kalaman rin ng lahat, ang bayan ng Sarat ang pinakaunang kabisera o capital ng Ilocos Norte. At syempre, dito rin isinilang si Pangulong Ferdinand Edwin Marcos.
And I also learned from the old folks that the Sarat's binakol is of supreme quality and because it's woven perfectly.
Ayan. And of course, one of the treasures indeed, pwede na po natin dinggin ang susunod na story. Of course.
So, in tayo'y tatan buyain, ti Tan-Ok story, ti Burgos.
Okay, sige. Tawagin muna natin ang buong gang.
Sana magkasya tayong 7 dito.
O, sandali yung tent ko. Pupulutin ko lang.
Window.
Ayan.
Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you.
Bumabata tayo.
Thank you, everybody, for joining me.
Napag-ahala.
One side tayo, one side na lang.
Kailangan mo.
Actually, yung wifi, nilagay ko na sa loob ng gown.
Ayan mga kaibigan, once again, gusto namin po salamatan ni Gervy. Of course. Johnson Seneca. Ayan, meron siyang branch sa Lawag and Vegan. And of course, yung ibang Abel ay galing pa kay Nana Magdalena Gamayo, our national living treasure. And she is from Pinili.
At syempre po para sa aking outfit tonight, maraming salamat Wanda Couture. Ayan, thank you. Malapit lang of course sa Tabunting Pawn Shop ang kanilang pwesto. And of course to our for our grooming tonight, maraming salamat Mr. Kenneth Cadiz from Pacara. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kenneth, our glam master for tonight.
Yes, and how about you?
Well, I'll say a very special thanks to Wanda Coutures for making this very wonderful clothes for all of the hosts this evening.
Especially
Correct.
you, yes. And of
Muchas
course,
gracias, Jaja Asuncion from Batak.
And
Keena.
thank you also from Ate Amor for my stunning wardrobe tonight and Ate Angel Pascual for my hair and makeup.
And of course, I also want to thank Keda from San Nicolas for my wardrobe tonight.
and of course, thank you so much, Mario Manuel, for my hair and makeup, and of course, my gown, Amor Albano. And I think,
Pabalik ng ating mga judges. So meaning, malapit na nating malaman kung sino sa ating mga contingents ngayon ang mag-uwi ng kampyonato!
this is it, ladies and gentlemen, our judges have spoken indeed. After thorough discussions and deliberation, we are ready to reveal our 2019 Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano Festival of Festival winners. But before the big reveal, here are the recipients of our special awards for this year, and we shall begin with the Best in Festival Music. But before that, before we give the awards, of course, we must first give our gratitude to the members of the board of illustrious judges. And of course, we will be presenting to them
A plaque of appreciation.
Yes.
And of course, to hand in the plaques to our judges, we'd like to request Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba, Senior Board Member Honorable Matthew Marcos Manotoc, former Governor and City Councilor of Lawag City, Honorable Michael Marcos Kion, and of course, the rest of the members of our provincial board.
Alright, let us read the citation of our plaque of appreciation. Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte, this plaque of appreciation is presented to with deep gratitude for the services extended as a judge during the Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals 2019 to February 2019, signed Aimee R. Marcos, Governor of the Province of Ilocos Norte. Our first plaque shall be given to Mr. Japhet Marie Cabling.
Also, we have Mr. Junior Jordan Cruz.
Let us also award the same plaque of appreciation to Miss Allen Marie Alejo.
And also to Mr. Arsenio Lizazo.
Don't forget, Professor Chill Libertad, President, Philippine Folk Dance Society, Region 1.
Also, this plaque is for Mr. Kyle Ginnerman.
Also, we have Reverend Father Harold Rentoria.
Mr. Lyle Villahermosa.
Mr. Romel Serrano.
Mr. Armando Santa Ana.
Also, Miss Marie Venus Tan.
Once again, kagayam kakabsat, ikanda nga po tinabarang sipsipat, the 2019 edition Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano Festival of Festival Judges.
Yan, let's have some time for their, syempre, very memorable photo op. And yan nga, sabi namin kanina, don't forget to use the hashtag Tan-Ok 2019, I'm in, and hashtag IN201. And we're also inviting everybody to follow one of our judges on YouTube. Siyempre po, si Colas, Becoming Filipino.
Muli mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga judges!
Thank you very much. And of course, we would also like to request our judges to please stay on stage as we will now be announcing, of course, the winners. Thank you very much.
All right, we're ready to give the awards. First up would be the Best in Festival Music.
And
The
the best
best
festival
in
music,
festival music is Nueva Era.
Nueva Era Tadak Festival!
We would like to request the representatives of Nueva Era, of course.
Andyan pa ang mga officials, we have Mayor Carol and Vice Mayor Aldrin Garvida.
Kindly come and receive your prize. Once again, Best in Festival Music, the Municipality of Nueva Era!
Our next special award is Best in Production Design.
Best production or best production design is once again Tadak Festival of Nueva Era!
Our next award is Best Choreography and Direction. Best in choreography and direction is no other than, please stay on stage, Nueva Era!
That's of course 3 awards for Nueva Era. Best in Festival Music, Best in Production, and of course Best in Choreography and Direction. Wow! Congratulations to the Festival of Nueva Era! Woo! Our next award, Best Video Design. And the Best Video Design is Fiesta Empanada, City of Batak! Ayan, once again, Fiesta Empanada, City of Batak! We have, of course, ang kanilang napaka-sipag na Mayor, Engineer Albert D. Chua.
With the tourism officer, Merlin Gorospe.
And of course, the next award, ladies and gentlemen, ay ang
Most eco-friendly LGU, and we'd like to request, of course, ang ating sponsors. May we request Ma'am Amy Chua and Sir Hanson Chua of Chua Consolidated to please be on stage to give the awards.
Ayan, and syempre, since this is of course a special award, ang mga mananalo ay mabibigyan ng overnight stay or let's say a stay po sa hotel. And at the same time, they will also be enjoying some activities such as pool party, plus kasama na ng mga snacks. At tunay nga rin naman na dito natin makikita, syempre para masulit rin naman lahat ng efforts ng mga panalo. Alright, so this is of course a special award. And ang nanalo, the winner ay ang Association of Tourism Officers!
Yes! So lahat po ng ating mga masisipag na tourism officers ng Ilocos Norte, ayan, this is Thanksgiving to all of you,
Correct.
of course, dahil sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong sa inyong mga LGU.
Yes, at worth it din naman of course ang prizes na yan to reciprocate all your efforts and at the same time sakripisyo niya rin.
Hindi lang ngayon Tan-Ok kasi trinay na din natin to nung technical rehearsal nung January 31 at kitang-kita naman natin na ang laking nabawas dun sa waste. Especially yung sa mga plastic na
Correct.
dati ang di ba ang kalat pero ngayon malaki yung pinagbago and thanks to our tourism officers mula sa iba't ibang bayan at syudad ng Ilocos Norte.
And once again everyone, ikantay manti na bara sipsipat, the Association of Tourism Officers.
Next award, Best Performer Female. It's none other than, you've got it, Judelea Pucan from the city of Batak.
Wow. And if I know si Judelea ay ilang beses na rin nananalo bilang Best Female or Best Female Performer.
Yan din yung na-feature sa kanyang story, Tan-Ok story.
Oh, video niya kanina, gusto niyang bumalik ang award sa kanya.
Congratulations, Leia!
And of course, we have also here our male best performer. And our male best performer is the Badok Kid. The child performer from Bado.
Yung bata po na gumanap kanina.
Ayun,
Badok.
Badok.
Ayan, ito na siya, ang laki na niya!
Lumaki na siya!
Hello. Hello. Your name, please.
CD.
Louder, louder.
CD.
CD what?
Kainglit.
Kainglit. CD Kainglit from Gabot Norte.
Alright, congratulations sa ating Best Male Performer and Best Female Performer for this year's edition of Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano.
Congratulations! At ito na. Handa na ba kayong malaman ang mga panalo this year?
Alright, Clyde, are you ready?
Ready na kami. And of course, uunahin natin with our runners-up.
And we have Vintar!
Si Wow Power of Pintor!
We would like to request yung representatives, the dancers, if they're still here.
And so of course, ang pinakamamahal nating tourism officer ng Bentar at ang napakagandang Mayor at Ilia Bentar, we have Mama Honorable Larissa Poronda and Sir Erwin Sugitan.
Ito ay ang ating runner-up for this year.
At kagaya ng ginagawa po natin taon-taon, meron pong napipili na runners-up, of course, aside sa top 3.
So we have 5 runners-up and yung top 3 highest scorers.
And once again, congratulations to our Festival of the Municipality of Vintar!
Na-reveal na nga ang isang runner-up. Sino pa kaya ang 4 na kukumpleto sa ating 5 runners-up this year?
The next runners-up is Bana!
Bana is one of our runners-up for this year. Ibig sabihin,
Abus Festival of Bana!
syempre we still have 3 more to announce na runners-up before we announce our top 3.
Ayan na.
Once again, congratulations! Abus Festival of Bana at ayan ang ating mga officials headed by Mayor Carly Abadilla.
Once again, one of the runners-up, we have the Abus Festival of the Municipality of Bana!
Congratulations!
2 down, 3
We're
to
down
go.
to 3 more runners-up.
Let's have the next. The next is Retrito Moncayong Sarap.
Ayan, runner-up this year, Ririta Moncayong of Sarat! Ayan, we have, of course, the tourism officer of Sarat. We have Mr. Mark Agorilia. And saludo din tayo sa mayor ng Sarat, Mayor Remilio Medrano.
Clyde, I think we're ready. Guys, ready na ba kayo to announce? Ready.
Yes, Ate Stella. And next, our runner-up is
the Municipality of Adams.
Adams is also one of our runners-up for this year.
Ginginubat Festival of Adams. Mga kaibigan, Adams ang champion last year. So meaning, kung runner-up sila this year, we have a new champion! Pwedeng returning, pwedeng bago. All that and more, malalaman natin sa ilang saglit lamang. And of course, to receive the award for Adams, we have the Mayor, Madam Rosalia Dupagan of the Municipality of Adams. Apat na po ang napangalanan nating runners-up this year. Isa na lang at i-announce natin ang ating top 3 ngayong 2019 edition ng Tan-Ok.
And we're down to our last runner-up before we proceed to our top 3. Our next runner-up is
The Municipality of Pagudpud!
The Kangayadan Festival of Pagudpud! Ayan, para po ulit natin Kangayadan Festival, Bayan ng Pagudpud. And to receive the award, may we request, of course, the officials headed by Mayor Marlon Sales,
The tourism officer of Pagudpud,
And as well as
Mr. Benny de la Cruz, once again, runner-up po natin, Kangayadan Festival of Pagudpud. Ayan, mukhang hindi nila in-expect ang victory tonight.
And may we request kahit sino pong pwedeng representative na mula sa munisipyo, mula sa bayan ng Pagudpud, please receive your award for this year.
We have Chef Betlev Kote of Berblick German Restaurant in Pagudpud.
Thank you so much, sir. Ayan.
Thank you.
Okay! Mga kaibigan, na pangalanan na po natin ang 5 runners-up. Panahon na para i-reveal kung sino sa ating mga contingents ang pasok sa ating top 3 ngayong taon. Simulan natin with our 3rd place.
We would like to request the representatives of the winning contingent at ang mga dancers to please join us for the awarding. At syempre, ready?
Ready na tayo,
Ito na
ladies.
nga.
And of course, our winners will receive a trophy and cash prize. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's 3rd place
is none other than the City of Batak Empanada Festival.
Fiesta Empanada, City of Batak!
Congratulations to our beloved City of Batak!
Batiin natin sila. Welcome back sa top 3!
Yes!
May libre na tayong empanada, Clyde!
Gusto ko mag-ride dun sa Ferris wheel nila.
With Honorable Mayor Albert Nalupta and the Tourism Officer Merlin Gorospe.
Yan, kasama nila kanilang Mayor Albert Cua.
Once again, alam ko napaka-special ng victory nito para sa Batak. Welcome back sa top 3, guys!
Yes! There's a lot to celebrate once again. Fiesta Empanada of the city of Batak!
Our second place. Any bet? Ito may letter.
Second place.
May letter A.
Ayan. Para mapabitinin lang natin, ha. Marami pang miyembro na naging parte ng top 8 na hindi pa natatawag. Last year, na hindi pa natatawag. So, sino kaya ang second place natin this year?
Ang second place, let's go south!
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's second place ay ang La Milagrosa Festival of Batak! Viva La Virgen Milagrosa!
Congratulations!
And to receive the award,
Once again, La Virgen Milagrosa of the Municipality of Batak!
Viva La Virgen Milagrosa! Viva La Virgen Milagrosa! Viva!
Alright, and now,
The most awaited announcement.
yes, eto na, this is it. The best nightcap ay malaman natin kung sino ang champion for this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, Marcos Stadium, Ilocos Norte, are you ready? Mga kaibigan, the Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals 2019 Grand Champion is
Nueva Era!
Congratulations!
Nueva Era!
The Tadak Festival of Nueva Era! Once again, mga kaibigan, our grand champion this year, Tadak Festival of Nueva Era!
Ang pagbabalik.
No, this is their first.
Ay, first! Wow!
Actually, the long wait is over. Sa lahat ng mga contingents over the years, sila ang pinaka-uhaw na mayuwi ang kampyonato dahil palagi silang malapit. Karamihan sa kanila, karamihan sa ating Tan-Ok edition, pumapangalawa, pumapangatlo. Pero ngayon mga kaibigan, lasap na ng Nueva Era ang Tan-Ok Championship.
Alright! And of course, yan, everybody enjoy the night. Yan.
And siyempre naman, this is Ancher Cua.
And this is Keena Madamba.
This is Yuan Ramos.
And this is Gervy Gumarit, RC. Entitled Tulay ang pasagtaken, dagitoy, akinabak ng tayo.
Itaken, itiag na nayon, intay pasingkedan, ti kinatan-ok ni Ilocano, siyak apo ni Stella Gaspar-Gudoy.
At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magkita-kita ulit tayo next year. I am George Clyde Panlaque. At muli, ito po ang
Tan-Ok Ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals 2019.